is Martin Ricker. I'm the Content Director of International Leather Maker. I'm here at Tanning Tech Day 3 with Mauro Bergozza, CEO of Bergi, one of the leading tannery machinery makers in the world. Mauro, what can you tell us is new at the fair this year?
Well, for Bergi company, we have a few machines with innovation and other exclusive news. We can start from the buffing machine. This year we are introducing a new concept of buffing machine, which we call 45 degree because the name is explaining how is the passage of leather through the working position. The main advantage of this machine compared to the previous model is the cutting effect, which is more fine, is less aggressive, so is pulling less the fiber and is cutting better. And the second,
so you have less tears in the leather as a result.
Less tears in the leather, and the passage of leather is more, we can say, flat. And when the leather go down to the transport conveyor, it have less distance, so it can go inside the dedusting machine without folding to have a perfect dedusting.
Okay. Can you tell us more about the ironing and embossing machine we have here?
This machine, which we call Starlux, have a name Star because have a revolver roller changing system, so it can ironing or embossing or even the same with shine, opaque, ironing roller, sandblast, fine, or hair cell or medium grain. Medium grain, not heavy grain, because this is a machine mainly for grain leather or for shoe upper or leather goods, not for heavy pressure but for fine work. The particular of the model that we have in exhibition this year is having 3 machines into one, because it can work with pressure like every standard ironing machine, or it can work by little touch the top of the grain, because we have the possibility to open the gap between the felt and the chrome roller. The gap is possible to change as is necessary, because it's variable. And the third possibility of the machine is the long contact of the leather with chrome roller before pressing point. So is a preheating zone and then the ironing effect. So we are going to iron the leather after preheat the finishing. This last option is giving the possibility to work with pressure or without pressure, so only contact. So we are put 3 machine effects together in one machine.
This year you're introducing a new machine for the first time at the fair. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
The stone roller made by us for polishing grain leather. This stone roller is unique because it's the first one which is made in 1800 millimeter in one block without joint. The big advantage of this stone is to not have a joining line which is repeat on the leather during the polishing. So it can polishing the leather in one passage without any joining sign. This is of course a prototype that we have developed just in time to introduce for the exhibition, but from the test that we already faced a few weeks ago, we can say that the result it's giving is very, very good.
You've been trialling this machine in a tannery in Italy, have you?
Yes. And a development that we already have other idea how to produce different type of stone effect, because the technology that we are using is really innovative, because it's giving us the possibility to change material or the granulometry of the stone that we are using to have a different effect.
Different effects on the leather.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mauro. That's very interesting.
Thank you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.